Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the windshield wipers so you can clean your windows. So if you look at this button on your steering wheel, if you just press it once, you can see it's going to use the windshield wipers. If you want to spray, you have to hold it down. So just hold it down for like 3 seconds and it will spray and clean your windshield, just like that. And if you want to add more liquid to it, so windshield wiper fluid, let's open up the frunk, the trunk or hood or whatever you call it. And then we go to the hood and we just open this up. And you can just buy whatever you want. Windshield wiper fluid from Walmart. You get the orange stuff, get the blue stuff, and then just place it right here. Just open this up. It's very easy to place back in here. And then you can clean your windshield. Now if you're using full self-driving, you got these cameras on the front here. It's just gonna start cleaning those automatically. So if the cameras detect like there's a bunch of stuff in the way or something like that, it's gonna just use the windshield wipers and spray automatically. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.